Welcome all to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Yogesh Patil, and today we are going to discuss the topic of FYIT Semester 1 for Digital Electronics, and today's topic is Introduction to Digital Electronics and Numbering System. So, let's see introduction about digital electronics. So friends, what is digital electronics? As you can see, a digital electronics is interconnection of digital modules, and it is a system that manipulates discrete elements of information that is represented internally in the binary form, just like zeros and one. So zeros and one or on off are a discrete sequence. Now you can see nowadays digital electronics or a digital system is used in a wide variety of industrial as well as the computer products, such as automated industry machinery or computers, calculator, microprocessor, or any kind of digital system like watch, television, TV games, whatever, and so on. Now there are few characteristics of digital system. The very first characteristics of digital system is it can be manipulated in a discrete element of information. So we can discrete the information in a multiple way in a form of zeros and one likewise. Then discrete elements are nothing but digits, just like a decimal or 10 digit we can say, or numbering system like in a 26 alphabet, that A, B, C, D up to Z. Then digital system or it use a physical quantities which is known as a signal, and this can be represented in the digital element or a discrete element. Now in digital system, the signals have two discrete values, that is zeros and one, and the signals in a digital system, it is represented in a binary form. So we have two different type of signals or different type of system. One is analog, second is digital. Now what is analog system? Analog system is nothing but a it processes the information that varies continuously. Like for example, right now I am talking, the sound is a continuous process or a continuous signal, and we are continuously processing that signal. So they process time varying the signals that can be taken on any value across the continuous range of voltage. There might be a current or any other physical parameter. Now what is mean by digital system? Digital system, it uses the digital circuit that can be processed digital signal. Digital signal, like whatever I am talking, you are receiving that signal through an internet, and internet is using a digital medium or a digital data for a transmission. So you can receive those signals in a digital way. So we can say that digital system uses digital circuits that can process digital signals, which can take either in a form of zeros or one. It's just nothing but a binary system. As you can see in a diagram, we have analog signal, we have represented analog signal as well as digital signals. As you can say, the sine wave or a wave which it forms a digital signal, and the discrete form, that is up and down, the value of 0 volt to 5 volt in a diagram, it shows that it is a discrete signal or a digital signal. Now there are few advantages of digital system over the analog system. The very first advantage, that ease of programmability. Digital system or a digital circuit is easier to compile or to program than the analog system. The second advantage is reduction of cost of hardware. So digital system uses a digital data as well as it uses the digital signal, which is much cheaper than the analog signal. Then it is high speed than the digital signal or a digital system. Then high reliability. Digital signals are hardly there are many possibilities to break down the signals, analog signals, but digital signals or digital signal are very hard to break. Then design is very easy and its results can be produced easily. Now what are the disadvantages of digital system? So the very first disadvantage is when we use digital system, it consumes more energy than the analog circuit. That's why it produces the heat. So as you can see, as compared to the analog circuit, digital circuit gets heat easily. Then digital circuits are often fragile in that if a single piece of digital data is lost or misinterpreted. For example, if I send a data in a form of 10111 or simple signal, a value of 2 is 010. If I change one unit, like first 0, right side 0, if I change by 1, so the signal is 110. The meaning is completely changed. It becomes 6. Instead of 2, the value becomes 6. So that is also one kind of disadvantage in digital system. Then digital computer manipulates discrete elements of information by means of binary code. So always we are changing the value or converting the value to the binary code. So many of time it becomes difficult. And quantization error during the analog signal sampling, that can be possible, but in digital signal it's very hard. Now let's get an thorough introduction about number system. Number system in digital electronics, it is basic counting of variety of items, just like we are counting anything, like we are counting mangoes from the bucket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that is nothing but we are counting that element. Okay, so it will be a numbering system. And modern computer, it communicate and operate with binary numbers, which is used only digits 0s and 1. Now these are nothing but the basic binary numbers. So basic number system use human by, that is nothing but a decimal number system, that like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 likewise, and so on. So for example, if you can see, let us consider a decimal number 18. This number is represented as 10010 in a binary system. Okay, then we also observe that the binary number system, it takes more digits to represent a decimal number. We having only two numbers 1 and 8 to represent a decimal number system. Instead of that, in binary system we need 10010. There are 5 digit has been used. So this is also, we can say that large number has been used for representing a binary number. So there are different type of number system. Today we are going to just get an introduction about what are the different kind of number system. These are decimal number systems, binary numbers, octal numbers, hexadecimal number. Decimal numbers from 0 to 1, and it has a base 10, and it will be from 0 to 9, as well as the combination of the numbers from 0 to 9, like 90, 91, 92 likewise. Then binary system, it has a base 2 and it contains only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. So it will be a combination of zeros and 1, like 10010. It is representing the number 18. So the combination is in a form of 0 and 1s only. Then we have octal number system. It has a base 8 and these numbers are from 0 to 7 only. So higher number is 7. So in this series, the 777 is the highest number or highest possible value. Then hexadecimal number, it contains a number from 0 to 9s and alphabets from A to F, and the highest number is FF. So instead of 16 we will call F. So this is the representation which we have in a binary number system. This is a basic example which we have given for a binary number system. Binary number system has a radix of 2. Here we can see a number which represented on the leftmost side is nothing but the MSB, that is most common or most commonly used bit, and binary point we have in the middle. So this is for the numbering system. This is up to the binary, decimal or a digital system or digital electronics and the digital circuit which we have learned. So for any or next topic we will going to continue with number system and the convergence of binary to digital, digital to binary, and so on. So friends, thank you. Thanks a lot.